Yes! In America, all of these, stay out of the basement. Look at the bricks on the wall and notice, when you hit your head on the speaker, you start to be a real dope freaker. And check it out, as the rhymes are written on red and black ink and yellow paper, you'll start to notice the lyrical content of the mental duress.
I'm a lyrical baby injector, satirical lady selector, defector, selector, impurity, mad soliloquy. Openly me bony belly, but no selling me dominance, the biscuits of a nemesis MC, errorless empty embodiment I can't see. My rounds two dimension of illuminatory missions to write a story. I'm missing cranial fluids, insufficient. I can't sell tickets when I'm playing ball. I rock shock in the house, yes, sure. So Don, you know you're mellow and smoking. Grab the mic and get the shit wide open.
Check the image, spiritual scrimmage, the list. More than go for vanish. Still real damage when souls are banished. Picture the originator of data, or data doesn't matter. Imitators are splattered. As it goes of laughter, a brazen bust through plot, deuces, decomposition. Incisions are made with blades, but faiths and religion. Rogue organisms infect epidermi. Why learn my speech when in turn I burn eyes? Teach the deaf, dumb, and blind, plus benign mind rhymes, design fine lines to blind minds, and used to deny signs of the second coming. Verbs that had herbs, rectums running, I left them humming. So Bob, get on a mic and do me justice. Take the mic and bust this.
I walk in peace with a passion. Metamorphosize into earphone speakers, I'm crashing. A metamorphosis, of course, is this. All publicity, these people live in my corpses. Since I rock anyone from sun to sun. Gonna rock to the rhythm till I just begun. I'm gonna get on out, I'm gonna get on up, I'm gonna jerk my day. Aha, say what?